Hello and welcome back to SAP Process Automation. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how you can add decision logic to the sales order management process. But before we get started, let me give you a quick overview over the SAP Business Rules capability and its components. To put it in a nutshell, business rules let you separate the complicated business logic from your process. To integrate this capability, you will add a decision to your process. A decision consists of one or more policies, and each policy consists of a collection of rules. You can define these rules in the form of a decision table or as a text rule. A decision always has input and output in the form of a data type. I'll explain what that is when we get to it. Let's get started. The first thing we'll do is add a shipping country field to the order processing form. We need that later. Then we create a data type and name it sales order. It will contain all the details that we ask for in the order processing form. Create new fields and name them accordingly on the right side. Data types let you integrate process elements that have an input and output, like a decision for example, into your process. They let you manipulate and validate data. Make sure to select the correct type for the order amount and delivery date. And don't forget to save in the end. Next, you will create a data type for the output of the decision, the approver. This data type will only contain one field, the email. We will move on to creating a decision and name it Determine Approver. A decision editor opens. You can see the decision diagram on the left panel and configuration option for input and output on the right panel. We'll define the sales order as the input and approver as the output of our decision. Now, click on Default Policy and add a decision table. Name it Determine Approver. Navigate to the decision table. Here, we will configure the condition and result columns of our destination table rule. Click on the settings symbol. From the help options, select Determine Approver Input. After that, choose Shipping Country. Type in Shipping Country for the label. Repeat the step for the order amount. The result will be the output. Click on Apply when you're done. Let's add some rules to our process now. In Shipping Country, type in exist in, open square bracket, India in quotation marks, comma, Germany in quotation marks, close square bracket. In order amount type is equal or less than 2000. Type your email, important in quotation marks, in the email field. Now add another row. Leave shipping country blank and type in greater than 2000 in order amount. Again, type in your email in quotation marks into the email field. Done. But what exactly did we define here? It's easy. If the shipping country is India or Germany and the order amount is below 2000, the approver will be person A. If the order will be shipped to any other country or if the order amount is greater than 2000, the sales order must be approved by person B. In a real scenario, their respective emails would be put in those fields, of course. Great work! Now, all we have to do is connect our decision to the process. Add the decision to the else branch. Then, in Inputs, map the fields order amount and shipping country to the order processing form. In the last step, we will define the recipient of the sales order approval form to be the output of the decision, which is the email of the responsible approver. And that's it, you're done. This is the end of the video. I showed you how you can add simple decision logic to a process with just a few steps. Thank you for watching, and come back for the next tutorial in which I will show you how you can release, deploy and run your process. Goodbye.